Bonjour friends! Welcome to French Farmhouse Flair. I am Jessica, and if you are new here, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button down below and that notifications bell as well, and send me a little love this Valentine Day weekend. I would appreciate that so much. Okay friends, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on my quick little DIY projects that I have ready to share with you today. Okay, so the first DIY project I thought we would start with are these X and O cute little Valentine hugs and kisses tags here. I'm just tracing them out on my paper. This is just leftover Christmas wrapping paper that I had, and I love the red and cream ticking stripe on it. So I will be punching the hole here just so that my ribbon can go through, and I'm using Mod Podge to attach the wrapping paper to the tags and just smoothing it out so that I don't get the wrinkles. And then I am also going to be using a little bit of craft paint in a cream color on the Dollar Tree heart lace, just because it was really white and I wanted it to be more cream to match the paper to coordinate with that better. So, and then I also just took a pencil and drew out my X and O on the paper. If you have stencils, I would recommend using stencils if you have them. And if not, if you're comfortable with just doing it freehand like I'm doing here, that works as well too. So, and then I'm using my gold, it's like antique gold color marker. And I'm also just doing the O in the same color. I wanted to use this gold marker for this project. And I just freehanding it, and then I'm going to attach that heart lace from the Dollar Tree to the bottom, and then I'm going over with Mod Podge just to seal it after everything's dry, and then here's the before, and then here's a look at the after, and I think they turned out really cute. I mean, they were cute before, but I really like how these turned out. Next, I'm just going to take my X and O's sign here. It's a metal sign that I'm just going to be painting it gold because I wanted it gold instead of the silver. So here's the before and then the after. It took several coats to cover this, and I just attached it to my pillow here in the bedroom, and I think it just added a really cute Valentine touch to my pillow, and I just attached it with ribbon. Okay, so for this next quick little Valentine DIY, I am thinking I'm going to be making a garland with these grapevine hearts, and they come in a set of 5, which is perfect because I like to do things in odd numbers. So I think I'm going to be doing 2 different garlands with these, one using this cream lace that I had left over from another project. I had white and cream lace, so I'll probably be using the cream because that will go nicely, I think, in my bedroom. And then the other one, I'm thinking about using this red and white gingham checked ribbon that I got at the Dollar Tree, and using that for my other garland that will go downstairs and match the colors on my main floor here in the house. So probably get started with the lace one here first and see how that looks. You could also paint these hearts if you wanted to, like spray paint them a different color. You could do white or gold, whatever color you would want them to be. So that's an idea too for you. But I think for this project, I'm just going to leave them as they are. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for my next DIY garland, I'm going to be using these red hearts and using the grapevine hearts together. I'm just going to be using my hot glue gun to attach the 2 hearts together, and then we will add the ribbon to tie the garland all together with my red and white gingham checked ribbon from the Dollar Tree store. And I'm just attaching it with a little bit of glue, and now I'm attaching the ribbon here, just spacing it out the way I want it, and just tying a knot, and then cutting the excess ribbon off. Okay, so for this next project, I am going to be using this metal envelope, or I'm going to call it a little love note or Valentine letter, whatever you want to call it. But I just thought it was cute, but I wanted it gold, and because I have gold in my bedroom, and I also have the black and cream tulle in my room, so I think this is going to coordinate really nicely in my bedroom. So I'm just tracing out the size that I need and then cutting the tissue paper to the size that I need, and then scraping off a little bit of the paint because didn't want all that to show through the tissue paper. And so I did paint the part that's going to be exposed still on the metal part of it. I painted that gold with some gold paint that I already had, and then using my Mod Podge, I'm attaching the tissue paper to the metal part that is still silver. And so, yeah, I think this is really cute. And then I'm just sealing it with the Mod Podge as well. And then I take some of that leftover heart lace that I got from the Dollar Tree store, and it's already cream color because I'd already painted it. So it matches this tissue paper nicely, and it'll go nicely in my bedroom as well. So I'm just attaching that with some glue. And here's the before. It was that metal silver color, and then here's the after. I think this turned out really nice and looks really nice in my bedroom here on the desk. Next, I'm just taking off the ribbon that was on these and adding my red and white gingham checked ribbon from the Dollar Tree store. And I'm just using these leftover hearts that I didn't use on my garland and put them on my Valentine tree, along with these gold hearts that I thrifted. Okay, this was the only one that I did not get around to doing a DIY with, but I think it's cute as is. I'm going to leave it for now because I want to get this video out to you. And I was thinking that next Monday was Valentine's Day, and I just realized that it's actually this Monday. It's actually tomorrow. So it's crazy how fast it has come up on me, and how fast this month is already flying by. And I think it was because of maybe my mom's birthday and then my daughter's birthday right after that. So the month of February has just flown by. Okay, since I don't have another week like I thought I did, come back and see me again tomorrow, friends, and I will have my Valentine home tour for you. I hope that you'll enjoy seeing the Valentine decor that I have around my home. So until tomorrow, friends, au revoir.